Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects! And today's sound effect is the farting sound effect from Star Night. Hello guys, it's me, Noella, and today I will talk about the farting sound effect from Star Night. It's from a video called Farting on Poisonous Ghost. That video was uploaded on July 29th, 2025. The duration of the sound effect is 7 to 25. The total seconds are 18. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. The sound effect is only used for my characters and OCs when they poop in the toilet. So, let me check my calculator. It's 18. So yeah, there are 18 seconds in the total. I'll link this right here, and it will be in the description. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, just use it in your videos. But make sure to give credit to Star Night before using her farting sound effect. The sound effect starts on 0:07 and ends on 0:25. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.